Hi, my name is Carlos Martinez. I work for Alton & Lube in Venice, California. We have a 2011 Mercedes GLK 350. We're doing the brake job, front brake jobs in this one. Usually we change the rotors in these cars. The first time, if you don't have enough money, trying to save something, it's just okay to replace, just put pads in it and the sensor. But the next brake job, you have to replace the rotors. Okay, this is very simple to change the rotors and pads, no big deal, right? This is the brake caliper. What we have here is there's a breather. This is ABS system. You have to open the breather before you push the pistons back in, right? Just push it very nicely and slowly, pushing the pistons back in. Sometimes it's not a good idea to do it yourself, but you have to know what you're doing. When you push the piston all the way in, close the breather again. Okay, piston is all the way in. To doesn't drain the master cylinder. When you lock it, clean up your mess. Then there's a 15mm wrench for the caliper. Loosen up. Usually they put a Loctite in it. It's a little bit harder to, but if you want to use the speed wrench, there's another tool here. It goes faster. There you go. You can use the air tools too, but it's, easier. Do it by hand. Sometimes you would do it faster, and trying to do it faster you damage the threads or whatever. Usually those bolts has a Loctite in it. That's like I'm saying, don't try to do it yourself. You don't play with the brake systems, You use the proper tools too. Oh, that's the. Make sure don't let the caliper hang. It's kind of heavy. Pulls the brake line. So the sensor right here is still okay, but put a new one in. It's much better. You just have to pull it. See the little thing right here? You slide it in, but we have a new one anyways. You just let me grab the pads. This lady, she owns a restaurant. She don't have no money just to put new rotors in. See the groove right here? There's a lot of lip in it on the side. It's gonna squeak on the fusion, but that's what the way she wants it. But at least she has plenty pads now. Trying to save some money. That's the way. But next brake job, she knows already she has to do the rotors. Okay. Slide the pads on the two piston. Alright. Here's the other one. Just like I said, it's very simple, but be careful when you do it yourself. You have to have the right tools too. Looks like they sent me the wrong pads. Nothing wrong with it. Okay, we're stuck now. There's a two type of car. And they don't send me the right pads. Now I gotta wait for it another hour. That's it for now. Put it back in. I'm gonna tell my manager right now. Back, tell them to send the wrong pads. Bye bye.